Do you also want to add your Google Sheets data to the Notion and you're still doing it manually? Then watch this video till the end, because in this video I'm going to show you an automation by using which I'm going to sync my Google Sheet data with Notion by creating database items. So now let's firstly see how this automation is going to work in real time, and afterwards we will build it by using Pabbly Connect. So Pabbly Connect is an all-in-one automation tool that integrates varieties of applications and automate your entire business. So this is the Google Sheet by using which I'm going to receive my new leads. So here I'm going to make a new entry, and as I will make a new entry, the data will be automatically captured by Pabbly Connect and a database item is created over my Notion account. So now let's see the working of this automation. So right here you can see that I have made this test entry providing the full name as test user, email, phone number and the city. Now let's move on towards my Notion account to check whether a database item is created over there or not. So right here I'm on my Notion account, where you can see that I'm successfully receiving all the details of my lead. So now you have seen that I have successfully synced my Google Sheet with Notion, by using which as soon as I will make a new entry over the Google Sheet, the data will be automatically captured and added to the Notion account. So now let me show you how to create this automation, and for that let's move on towards the dashboard page of Pabbly Connect. So right here I'm on the dashboard page of Pabbly Connect. So you can get it by tapping the URL, that is pabbly.com/connect, and once you will enter the URL, you will land to the home page of Pabbly, where you will see two options, that is sign in and sign up free. So if you are a new user or logging account over the Pabbly Connect first time, then you can just click over the sign up free, and if you sign up your account for free over the Pabbly Connect, you get 100 free tasks every month for practicing and exploring Pabbly Connect. And if you are an existing user like me, then you can just click over the sign in, and if you like this automation and want to create it for your business too, then I have bought this amazing offer for you. So right on the screen you can see this discount coupon code, that is STUYT, which is going to provide you heavy and exclusive discounts on yearly and lifetime subscription plans of Pabbly. So make sure to use this discount coupon code before buying any of our Pabbly product. Now let's move on towards the dashboard page of Pabbly Connect, where for creating a new workflow, we just have to click over this create workflow button, and right here I'm going to create it using Quick Builder, which is the new workflow builder where we don't have to select or search for the trigger or action application. We just have to provide a prompt to the AI, and this will automatically integrate both the applications. So here I'm going to enter the prompt as want to integrate Google Sheets and Notion. So here I'm going to provide this prompt, and right here I'm going to select the trigger of my Google Sheets, that is new or updated spreadsheet row. Now for the Notion, I'm going to select it as create database items. Now let's approve it, and now let's open our workflow. So right here we are on the workflow page, where you can see that my Google Sheet and Notion are already integrated. So now by using this automation, let's integrate both these applications. So here I'm going to select Google Sheets, and right here you can see that we are getting this webhook URL with the steps for pasting this webhook URL. So this webhook URL is going to act as a bridge between Google Sheets and Pabbly Connect for building the connection. So now let's copy it, and now let's move on towards my Google Sheet, where we have to enter this webhook URL. So right here you can see that this is the Google Sheet by using which I'm going to get my leads. And right here you have to go towards extensions, and here you have to select add-ons, and here you have to select get add-ons, and you will be landed to the Google Workspace Marketplace, where you have to search for the app, that is Pabbly Connect Webbook. So now let me search for it, and right here you can see that we are getting this application which is already installed. So make sure to firstly install this application, and afterwards again you have to go towards extensions, where you will see this application, that is Pabbly Connect Webbooks, and here you have to select initial setup, and you will be getting the initial setup dialog box. where we have to enter the webhook URL and the trigger column. So here I'm going to enter the webhook URL which I have recently received from our Pabbly Connect, and now for the trigger column we have to enter the last data column of our Google Sheet. So the last data column is D, so I'm going to enter my trigger column as D. Now let's click over the submit button, and right here you can see that my setup has been configured successfully. Now we have to send a test data to the Pabbly Connect. So right here you can see that I have already made a test entry. Now I'm going to send this test data to the Pabbly Connect. So for that I'm going to just click over this send test, and right here you can see that my test data has been sent successfully. Now let's move on towards my Pabbly Connect to check whether my Pabbly Connect is fetching this particular test data or not. So right here I'm on my Pabbly Connect, where you can see 8 seconds ago I have received this response, that is response A, and this response consists of all the fields which I have recently entered over my Google Sheets. So now here this shows that we have successfully integrated Google Sheets. Now you have to perform one more task, that you have to go towards the Google Sheet which you have integrated, and here on the extensions you have to select Pabbly Connect webhooks, and here you have to select the send on event. So by enabling send on event you don't have to send the test data again and again to the Pabbly Connect. Pabbly Connect will automatically fetch the data as soon as you will make a new entry over your Google Sheet. And now here you can see that the send on event has been enabled successfully. Now I'm going to create a database over my Notion account. So here I'm going to select it. Now let's make the connection. So I'm going to just click over this connect button. And right here we are on the connection page, where if you want to use your existing connection, then you can select this button of existing connection. And for building a new connection, you just have to click over this add new connection button. Now let's click over this connect with Notion, and right here I'm going to allow the access. So I'm going to just click over this select pages, and now again I'm going to allow the access. So I have already logged in my Notion account, so I'm getting a smoother experience. And right here we are getting this first field for selecting the database, where I want to add my lead details. So right here I'm going to keep my database as same, that is new leads, and afterwards we are getting this field for entering the email. So now you might be thinking that I'm going to manually type it like this, but no, I'm not going to do so, because Pabbly Connect provides me a method by using which I don't have to enter these details manually, and that method is mapping. Now you might be wondering, what is this mapping? So mapping is basically inserting the data from the previous step so that you don't have to enter your values again and again, as mapping makes the field dynamic. So here I'm going to map all these fields from the response which I'm receiving from Google Sheets, as this is my previous application. And the process of mapping is simple. You just have to select the field and the slash symbol, and right here we are getting our previous application, that is Google Sheets. So from its response I'm going to map the email. Now let's map the phone number from the response. So here I have mapped the phone number too, and now let's map the city. So here I'm going to map the city as well. Now let's map the full name too. So here I'm going to map the full name of my lead, and now these fields are dynamic, means these are going to change with every new entry made over your Google Sheet. And now we just have to click over the save and send test request, and right here we are receiving this positive response which demonstrates that this database item might be added to my database of the Notion. So now let's move on towards my Notion account and check it. So right here you can see that I'm successfully receiving all the details which I have recently mapped over my Pabbly Connect. So now you have seen how you can create this amazing automation by using which you can sync Google Sheets with Notion. So now you can also automate this entire process by just using Pabbly Connect. So what are you waiting for? Start using Pabbly Connect now, and I have provided the link of the workflow which I have recently created in the description box, so make sure to check it out. And if you face any doubts or challenges, then don't forget to mention it in the comment section, and make sure to use the coupon code STUYT before buying any of our Pabbly product. So thank you for watching this video.
Not only this integration, you can build many more amazing automations like this by just using Pabbly Connect. So if you want to explore pricings and plans that fit your needs, then you can visit the link given over here. And if you have any queries or need assistance, then you can mail us at the email provided. And if you found this video really helpful, then like, share and subscribe our channel for more such automation tutorials. So thanks for watching.